Welcome back, everybody. Today's video has been heavily requested since everybody saw me switch my hand over to almond shape. So I'm going to show you guys how my right hand goes from this like coffin squarish shape over to almond shape so that both my hands match, finally. Anyways, the first thing that I'm going to do is take this Sharpie marker. Don't worry, you can buff it off later. And I'm going to mark the center of each of my nails and draw a line from like the cuticle area all the way to the free edge. So right now I'm kind of gauging where the center is and I'm marking the free edge in the center. So that's going to help me draw the line from here all the way to the back where my cuticle is, because I need to know where the center is so I know not to file that part, but to file the sides inwards. So I'm doing this with my non-dominant hand, so I need a little extra help. So that's why I'm putting my hand on the table to draw the straight line. Yeah, I love how I did this video using my non-dominant hand. Way to do it. So it's time to break out the nail file. I have builder gel on my nails, so I'm using a rougher grit, but if you have natural nails, use a finer grit. So I can't bring the length down. That's the whole point, is tapering in the sides in a rounded motion, not tapering the top like I would with coffin or square shape. I don't touch the top at all. I just go from side to side, from my left side to my right side. Don't work on one side for too much. Do it like 3-5 strokes and then move on to the other side. You want them to be even. If you focus on one side for too long, they will not be even. Also important to check the shape from the underside view to make sure that it is even. And you know how in coffin shape or square shape you usually have like a straight line and you're just filing with your board like parallel to your nail? Well, here you want to go in a rounded shape, not a straight line. I do not want stiletto nails, I want almond nails. If you want stilettos, go in a straight line. But I'm just fine tuning this area and buffing off the rest of the Sharpie marker. So you can see it looks completely like normal. So I actually did the other ones off camera because I was completely out of shot for every single bit of it. So I'm going to show you guys this nail. Again, I'm just bringing in this side, not tapering in a clean taper. I'm not being sharp edges. I do not want sharp edges. So I already rotated to the other side and I'm rounding it off, going back to the left side, rounding it a little bit. And remember, do not bring the length down. You do not want to touch the top of the free edge. You just want to bring in the sides to meet where that black Sharpie marker is. Well, I'm just gonna buff off the Sharpie marker that is on the top of my nail and then like just do finishing touches. Again, this is just showing you guys me shaping down my nails. I wouldn't really call it a tutorial, especially since I'm out of shot for so much of it. I'm so sorry about that. Hopefully in the future I'll actually be able to like record a tutorial on like how I accomplish different shapes like stiletto, almond, square, coffin. But on my natural nails that will not be possible because I don't want 4 different shaped nails. Alright, so here are my nails as they are, completely just like rounded. They're shorter right now, they're not super duper long, but as they grow out, I'm definitely going to have to get used to shaping longer almonds, and I'll probably have to bring that length down because I do like shorter almonds on myself personally. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!